Torrential slide value equivalent to $9.1807 a coin. The present reach: $9.1307, $9.2497. The earlier day close: $9.1592. The change was plus 0.0215, plus 0.23%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $9.24. Most extreme cost $11.83, least cost $7.32. The normal for the month $9.25. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $8.60, change for October 6.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at $8.60. Most extreme cost $10.20, least cost $7.51. The normal for the month $8.60. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $8.07, change for November 6.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $8.07. Most extreme cost $8.07, least cost $6.95. The normal for the month $7.64. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.47, change for December 7.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else cost at $7.47. Most extreme cost $7.47, least cost $5.83. The normal for the month $6.76. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $6.27, change for January 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at $6.27. Most extreme cost $6.60, least cost $5.74. The normal for the month $6.20. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.17, change for February 1.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $6.17. Greatest cost $6.17, least cost $5.29. The normal for the month $5.83. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $5.69, change for spring 7.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at $5.69. Most extreme cost $5.69, least cost $4.45. The normal for the month $5.15. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.78, change for April 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $4.78. Greatest cost $4.93, least cost $4.29. The normal for the month $4.65. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.61, change for May 3.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $4.61. Greatest cost $5.13, least cost $4.45. The normal for the month $4.75. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $4.79, change for June 3.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place cost at $4.79. Greatest cost $4.79, least cost $3.86. The normal for the month $4.40. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.15, change for July 13.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $4.15. Most extreme cost $5.15, least cost $4.15. The normal for the month $4.57. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.81, change for August 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $4.81. Greatest cost $4.81, least cost $3.76. The normal for the month $4.36. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.04, change for September 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $4.04. Greatest cost $4.04, least cost $3.15. The normal for the month $3.66. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $3.39, change for October 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $2.11. Most extreme cost $2.62, least cost $2.11. The normal for the month $2.32. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.45, change for December 16.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Before all else cost at $2.45. Most extreme cost $3.04, least cost $2.45. The normal for the month $2.70. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.84, change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.84. Greatest cost $3.43, least cost $2.84. The normal for the month $3.08. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.21, change for February 13.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $3.21. Greatest cost $3.21, least cost $2.51. The normal for the month $2.91. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.70, change for spring 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $2.70. Most extreme cost $2.70, least cost $2.11. The normal for the month $2.45. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.27, change for April 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.27. Greatest cost $2.81, least cost $2.27. The normal for the month $2.50. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.63, change for May 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2020.